Shiba Inu coin article. And when there are more than 1,000 to 100 chips in the draw at the end of this month. So don't waste your time. Hurry. Send the email before it's too late and share it with others. Shiba Inu and Bombshell come up as soon as Herbarium is publicly released. The Shiba Inu coin price and the cryptocurrency market as a whole is going through a rough day, and the Shiba Inu coin price is down to about 800 pips again. Now, this is a question I've been seeing a lot on social media lately. Will Herbarium raise Shiba prices? And the bones again. If you do, how much do you think their prices will go up? How long will you keep going up? All of these things will be. I talked about it in this video because I believe that the popularity of the platform will lead to a rise in the price of the coin, but there is will to be something very similar to what we saw when the test came out. The main net can make the win last longer. We have to. Although talking about it, what we saw on the Herbarium test grid should teach us something, so if you think this sounds like interesting, let's get started. We talk about the latest news about Shiba Inu and the world of Bitcoin in general on our channel. By clicking the bell, we will say that this station is giving away 5 million Shiba Inu tokens for a chance to participate. Just subscribe to the channel, like this video, and leave a message with the hashtag #Shiba Inu. On December 15th, we'll find out who won. Shannon Bray, who is running for governor of North Carolina and is a well-known technology entrepreneur, such as Shiba and the United States. The 50-year-old hacker recently said that buying a Shiba when the price is below 5 zeros is a great option. After staying above the important 1,000 point support level for 5 months after regaining it on January 16, the Shiba Inu recently hit a bottom support point in the latest broad decline in the market. Shiba fell from 1,000 points on May 1 stand. The bearish buyers made it difficult for it rise and stay above that area, but Bray believes that the current state of the asset makes it a good time to buy. In recent comments, Bray said he is sure the Shiba Inu will rise above the spot again when Ethereum starts to rally. Notably, Ethereum was too. It has been declining since mid-April, when it reached $2,141. In the past week, the asset has lost more than 9% of its value, showing how sure he is that Shiba Inu will do well in the future. Bray said Shiba is still a good investment in the short or long term. He explains that he was not paid to protect the original and that what he says is advertising, but that these are just Bray's thoughts. It should not be taken as advice on how to spend. At the time of writing this article, Shiba was selling for 0.70.5 or 1.1%, more than it was 24 hours ago. Guys, let's take a look at how the price is moving. There were some big declines that we'll talk about. We've been reviewing it a lot lately, so I don't think we should pay much attention to it. But since Bitcoin can fall below the 27,000 level of support, it may be tested or it could rebound. I'm sorry to say he's probably trying 25,000 per coin. If Bitcoin continues to decline, and the market as a whole will continue to decline as well. A week ago, each Ethereum coin was worth $2,000, but it's now less than $1,800. I mean, when people was doing fine and everything seemed to be going well, the Ethereum was going down. The price of the Shiba Inu coin is rising because the Bitcoin market is showing a little bit of anxiety and fear, one of the largest. The triggers will be released soon according to the team, but we don't know when. It could be next week or next year, in the same way he gave us a small report. So it looks like Herbarium's main network is growing closer to getting ready to go live. Now, what did we learn from the inception of the Herbarium test network? People buy rumors and sell news all the time. We know the testnet is working fine so far, but when people were excited to start Herbarium, the bonds rose to more than $2 per coin. Shortly thereafter, the cryptocurrency sold off and the price of each coin dropped below $1. Shiba. The Shiba Inu coin also got a small boost from the start of the testnet. This, not a huge increase, but still 5,100% further from where we are now. And then, of course, it went down as people sold the news. I think we could see something very similar, but they may be steadier or smaller after the main Shibarium web because that's when things get real. People will be excited to launch Shibarium Master Network. They'll talk about it and come back in droves to buy, sell, and exchange coins and bones. When people, the ecosystem team, Fusion, or anyone else starts dropping hints about launching Shibarium, chip price, Inu, and bones may rise. This one, Sam, needs to go away because he's so hard to figure out and no one can tell what's going to happen. So we don't know how far the bone can go or if the Shiba Inu coin will go, but we can look at how things worked in the past. Unfortunately, we may break out of the lower lows, and if the price of the Shiba Inu coin continues to drop, it may return higher levels before we get that high. So when this hike begins, it will be important to know where it started before knowing where it is. Will end. I think I will see this price tip as people sell the news as soon as the main grid comes out. But the fact that the bones will always be. The need can keep the price constant. At this point, you will have no choice but to use the bones to use the Shibarium the same way you would. Need this token in your wallet in addition to the bones if you want to pay the gas fee to buy 20 tokens or do any kind of exchange on Ethereum network. Can $2 price go up again? Yes, it can, but it also depends on where you're starting. So you should know this bone comes from the lowest. It will be difficult to bring the price back to $2, but after the mainland starts, the price may be more stable than it was during Shibarium testnet launch. But the cryptocurrency market as a whole is full of indecision, confusion, fear, and doubt. Right now, all of this is making prices fall and buyers move to safer places or assets like banks. When you pay bank accounts between 5% and 6% annually, it's hard to see why you should put your money into the stock market. So all we can do is wait and see what happens. But I think the price of coins and bones will go up when the main Shibarium network starts. Time will tell if this turns out to be true. We have come to the end of this movie. If you like it, click like, and don't forget to subscribe for more. This helps me a lot how to do this. YouTube works. Also tell as many people as possible about this movie. Let's tell everyone about this. If you are a true fan of cryptocurrency, you won't want to miss any of our information. See you next time when we can talk about the latest news affecting